should soften it up or stiffen it up. I wasn't sure until I started driving.
They're all the same.
Huh?
They're all the same.
What do you mean?
As in they're all on 5 clicks.
Yeah. Now is the furthest time I've been in it. Come on, fast road, come on now! Have a bird, come on! Bit of bog now. We're good. We're so good.
Extra engine steady, Phil.
Yeah.
Hey, we're fucking doing it!
This is comfy at 50 though.
Something rubbing. Can you see anything out your mirrors?
No.
Yay!
Mirrors are pointless. That one I'm just seeing fucking filter. No, it's not vibrating. It just needs to point out that way.
How's that?
And up. And a bit to me. Oh yes, spot on. Going.
We're doing it, Philip! Yeah, boy! We're doing it!
Steering wheel is going right. No vibrations. 60. Fastest we ever been. 65.
Actually smooth now.
Huh?
Smooth now.
70. Just brake a little bit early because we don't know how
Just
to.
on 70 in your mini build! We're still pretending like we know what we're doing.
Yeah, boy.
Well, instead of all just waving, let us fucking go, mate. It's like the piss now,
Come on, Granny. Let me go after you. Spit there. Fucking got that arm there.
Stop sweating yet?
Yeah. To be fair, quite content now. But you know, try not to be. I say, we died, and then they're back. I had to turn it on. No idea. Ugh.
Was it in between changing gear?
No, I was exploring it.
What, in third or fourth?
Fourth.
Mind the mortar, for fuck's sake. He's nice wood against your fiberglass. Oh, here we go.
Exit the roundabout onto Bristol Road.
Drive first. Take it out of here. That was out of gear. You got your fuel pump on. No more fuel, no more fuel.
Do a push.
Yeah. I think you're flashing.
Huh?
I think you're flashing. Fuck me.